Hi there, it's Kelly here, and today I'll be teaching you how to set a pop-up notice in your online store. So how this works is that when people go to your online store, this notice will actually pop up during the first load. So it's sort of like your mini announcement center that tells them, oh, what's going on right now. Let's get started. Once you're logged in, you want to click on Apps, and then we want to click on Add Integration button, and then we're going to search for pop-up. Right, then you'll see Easy Pop-up, and let's install that into our online store. Right, let's click install. So for example, I am doing a 15% off first purchase discount, and I want to highlight that here. So what I can put in my title is 15% off first purchase. And then I'm going to put in my content limited time only, for example. And in terms of my font options, I can change the size of this. So let's say I'm going to make it even bigger, let's say 60. And in terms of mobile size, maybe I'm just going to keep it as it is. And font color, I can also change it to whichever color that I feel is good. And in terms of the content, I can also change all of my size and the color. Let's move on to the background option. So let's say I want to change the color. I can just hover this and change to my desired color. Or I can even add a background image with some of the templates here. Or I can even add a custom image as background. So in my case, I'm just going to leave it to a solid color of black, and I'm going to move on to my next section, which is the button. So let's say I want to direct them to, my bestseller product page. Then I'm going to click on Enable button, and I'm going to fill in all the information here. So in terms of my button text, I want to add a call to action, which is click here or shop now. And my button link, I will actually attach the link that directs them to my bestseller collection page here. And in terms of my button color, I'm gonna set it to, align with my branding. And in terms of the size and how long or how short I want this border to be, I can customize all of that here. Once that's done, I'm going to click on Save Changes, and with that, I have successfully created a pop-up notice for my online store.